Hello guys, if you want to add a simple zoom in CapCut Mobile, just upload your video, for example this Rocket League clip right here. And yes, just put the cursor line where you want to start the zoom, for example in the beginning, and then tap on this keyframe icon right here. After you tap on it, you can see a small diamond right inside the video. Just change the position of the video, for example here, and then tap on this diamond icon again, so you can see another diamond keyframe right here. Then all you need to do is zooming your video. You can do it with both of your fingers, for example like this, and rotate it if you need it. And yes, you can also make it more precisely by selecting your video clip and then just find, wait a second, transform right here and then advanced. And here you can be more precisely, for example move x-axis or zoom right here. So we are still on top of this diamond keyframe, and everything which changes within this keyframe will be also set as and saved. So you can see we have a simple zoom. You can also just zoom out by finding another position and then use your fingers or the advanced tab right here.